respected teachers, friends and my dear students. Warm welcome to our Blackboard Education channel. Today, in this session, we are going to discuss about Class 10th, Chapter 3, Acid, Bases and Salts. In previous classes, we know what are acids and what are bases. We have tested acidity and basicity of different foodstuffs by using some indicators. We know that acids are sour to taste. For example, lemon. Lemon consists of citric acid, tamarind containing tartaric acid, and curd containing lactic acid, and tomatoes containing ascorbic acid, and fruits containing acetic acid, etc. These are all the things we use as foodstuffs. And we know that bases are slippery, means soapy to touch. Those are we have tested by some natural indicators. Indicators are of chemicals which are gives different colors in different substances. Here, indicators are of three kinds: natural indicators, synthetic indicators, and olfactory indicators. Natural indicators means this litmus papers, turmeric solution, red cabbage solution. These are all said to be natural indicators. So we have already tested the acidity and basicity of different food items by using these natural indicators. Now we are going to test acidity and basicity of some mineral solutions. Let us take some acids, mineral acids and mineral salts, so bases. So here this is a sulfuric acid and hydrochloric acid. This is a sodium hydroxide and this is calcium oxide. Let us prepare some dilute acids here. First of all, I am diluting this hydrochloric acid by taking a few drops of hydrochloric acid in water. See, so here I am taking a few drops. We should add acid to the water to dilute. So here I have dropped a few drops of HCl, and now I am keeping here HCl solution. HCl solution I have kept here. Now similarly, let us do dilute. Let us dilute now sulfuric acid. So here I am taking a very few drops of sulfuric acid, and I am taking now it is into the water, so that we will get a dilute acid. This is a dilute sulfuric acid. So immediately we have to keep close to this bottle. Now I am taking this sodium hydroxide. Let us prepare sodium hydroxide solution now. So some pellets of sodium hydroxide I am taking here. Let us add the sodium hydroxide in this. So here this is now I have prepared sodium hydroxide solution. Now let us take calcium oxide in water so that we will get calcium hydroxide solution. So So here we are taking calcium hydroxide. So this is calcium hydroxide. We have added calcium oxide to the water, so that we got calcium hydroxide. Now let us test these solutions with natural indicators. So now first of all I am taking sulfuric or HCl. See, I am taking HCl in another test tube. Now let us add this turmeric solution, which is nothing but one of the natural indicators. So here I have added turmeric solution. You know, turmeric solution is in yellow color. Now I have added to the acid. Is there any change? No. Yellow is remain yellow only here. Now let us take one base. I am taking here sodium hydroxide. So here I have taken sodium hydroxide solution. Now let us add this sodium turmeric solution to sodium hydroxide. See what happens. What is its color? It is turned into dark red color. So while adding this turmeric solution to the acid, there is no change in color of it. It is remain yellow only, but in bases it turn into red color. Okay, so in this way, means here sodium hydroxide is a base which makes this yellow color turmeric solution into red color. Now let us test with litmus papers. So we know that acid changes blue litmus into red and bases changes red litmus into blue. So here first of all I am taking here this blue litmus paper. Now I will put this blue litmus paper into the acidic solution. Means here I have taken HCl here. Now I dipped this into HCl. Now see here what happens. The blue color litmus paper turned to red. Now let us test in sulfuric acid. It is also one of the mineral acid. Now I want to test with this. Now see what is its color. So blue litmus turn into red color. If I put it in this one, this is nothing but sodium hydroxide I have taken here now. Let us see red. Is there any change in red color? Yes. Now see, when I dipped that into the sodium hydroxide, this is sodium hydroxide solution, again this red litmus turn into blue color. So here calcium hydroxide is there now. Let us test this calcium hydroxide also with red litmus paper. So here I am dipped here this red litmus paper. Now see, this red litmus paper turn into blue color. So with this we can conclude that the acids this HCl and H2SO4, both of them are strong acids, and sodium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide, both of them were bases. So in this way we can test the acidity and basicity of the mineral acids and mineral bases by using natural indicators such as litmus papers and turmeric solution, red cabbage solution, and some petals of the flowers such as hibiscus plant. So in this way we can test the natural indicators. So now we have tested the acidity and basicity of the mineral substances by using natural indicators like litmus papers and turmeric solution. Now let us test the acidity and basicity of the substances by using synthetic indicators. Synthetic indicators are this methyl orange, phenolphthalein and methyl red. Those are called as synthetic indicators. Let us test now this acidity and basicity of the mineral substances by using these synthetic indicators. Now see, this is a methyl orange. It is in orange color. Now I am adding a drop of methyl orange in an acid. So here this is HCl. I have added one drop in HCl and another drop I am taking into H2SO4 and one more drop I am adding to sodium hydroxide and one more drop I have added into the calcium hydroxide. Now observe all those things. So here just observe the colors of all these four of them. So what you have understood now? So here in HCl, this orange color methyl orange turn into red and H2SO4 also the same. In sodium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide, in both of them methyl orange color turn into yellow. We know that in acids methyl orange color turn into red and in bases its color turn into yellow. So with this we can conclude that HCl and H2SO4 both of them were acids, sodium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide are the bases. So in this way we can test them with methyl orange. Now one more, I am taking here that. Now let us test it with another synthetic indicators, that is phenolphthalein. Now I am adding a drop of phenolphthalein in HCl, in H2SO4, in sodium hydroxide and in calcium hydroxide. Now observe the change of this phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein, it is a colorless solution. So now here if you observe, there is no change in color of phenolphthalein in acid. There is a colorless solution. So here in acids also there is no any color have formed. Now see here this bases is sodium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. When methyl orange added to both of them, we got their yellow color. Now phenolphthalein adding to it, it is showing pink color. Means this phenolphthalein gives a pink color in bases and there is no color indication in acids. So here in this session we have seen that how these natural indicators and the synthetic indicators used to find out the acidity and basicity of mineral substances, because we can't identify it by tasting, because they are very harmful substances. That's why we can use the synthetic and natural indicators to test whether they are acids or they are bases. I hope you have understood this concept. In next session, we will discuss about another type of indicators which are called olfactory indicators to test the acidity and basicity of the mineral solutions. Thank you. Have a nice day.